Making international calls with Spectrum. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to make international calls with Spectrum. So let's get started. First, dial the international format to make a call abroad with Spectrum Voice. Use this format. Dial *011 plus your country code plus area city code and then phone number. Suppose you are calling a number in France. Their country code is 33 and area code is 1. The phone number is 1234567 so you have to dial 0113311234567. Then collect calls. If you need to place a collect call, the operator will contact the person you are calling and request payment before connecting the call. You have to check rates for a full list of country codes. In dialing rates, review your Spectrum international calling plan, and that's how you will be able to make international calls with Spectrum.